Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're searching for a job in the IT industry and want to start your career with one of the world's leading multinational companies, then today's opportunity is definitely for you. Accenture is hiring for the position of SW/app/cloud tech support new associate in Hyderabad, and candidates with 0 to 1 year of experience can apply. Let's go through all the important details. First, let's talk about the company. Accenture is one of the world's largest technology and consulting companies, operating in more than 120 countries with over 7 lakh employees worldwide. The company works in areas like cloud computing, artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, digital transformation, and business operations, making it a great place to start your IT career. Now, coming to the job role. The position is SW/app/cloud tech support new associate, and the work location is Hyderabad. The company is looking for candidates with any graduation, BE or BCom qualifications. Freshers and candidates with up to 1 year of experience are eligible to apply. Now, many people may wonder, what exactly does this role involve? In simple words, you will be working in Accenture's Technology for Operations team. Your responsibility will be to support business applications, help automate operational processes, monitor systems, resolve technical issues, and improve overall business efficiency using technology. You'll work with different teams to support software applications, maintain IT operations, and help implement automation solutions. Talking about the day-to-day responsibilities, you'll solve routine technical issues, support application maintenance activities, follow company guidelines while resolving incidents, work closely with your team and supervisor, and contribute to maintaining stable IT operations. As you gain experience, you'll also get exposure to technologies like Automation Anywhere, AI-based automation, robotic process automation (RPA), ticket management systems, monitoring tools, and cloud technologies. Now, let's discuss the skills they're looking for. The company is looking for candidates with good analytical and problem-solving skills, strong communication skills, the ability to build professional relationships, and basic understanding of incident management. If you have knowledge of Automation Anywhere or RPA tools, that's definitely an added advantage. However, even if you don't have hands-on experience, freshers with a willingness to learn are encouraged to apply. One important point mentioned in the job description is that this role may require rotational shifts, so make sure you're comfortable with flexible working hours before applying. Who should apply? This opportunity is ideal for fresh graduates looking for an IT support role, candidates interested in cloud, application support, or automation, anyone planning to build a career in IT operations or technology support, or candidates who want to work with a global MNC like Accenture. If you're looking for a stable corporate career with opportunities to learn automation, cloud technologies, and enterprise applications, this role can be a great starting point. If you're interested, don't wait, because Accenture openings receive a huge number of applications within a short time. I've added the official application link in the description below, so make sure you apply as soon as possible. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon, because I upload daily job updates for freshers and experienced candidates from companies like Accenture, Deloitte, TCS, Cognizant, Infosys, Wipro, Capgemini, and many more. Thank you so much for watching, and I wish you all the very best for your application. See you in the next video.